I'm trying out my new sticker printer to add some fun labels to my products. For the book festival next week, June 5th, the Wilson County Book Festival, the second one of ever. So come along with me as I check my inventory. Ooh, look at you, Amazon. That's new. They used to not have this, and my books would get slid around and bent. So good job there. All right. Now what I like to do is just flip through, because in the past I have had them print really funky. Okay, now my book bundle idea. I also don't know why they don't sort them, like when they ship them. KDP, any suggestions on why that's the case? And shipping your case? All right. Bundle idea. I am going to have a few more of these already here in stock, but essentially I'm going to have the trampoline book, the Trampoline Dreaming activity book, and a bookmark that I made like this as a bundle for like $25. And then I might throw in a sticker or two. And I wish I had an activity book for these white feathers. If I have time, I might pull that off, but I highly doubt it. Okay, I'm gonna throw these in a seal real quick. So I'm not really sure, but for some reason it wouldn't connect at first. So I just refreshed and retried it and it worked. And I printed my first sticker. Too much.